All right, so here we are, day one of the upstairs. This whole hallway section here, all the way around, was taped out with this stuff. This is dry-vit mesh for exterior stucco, which also works perfectly for what we're doing with these walls. And what that'll do is prevent any type of crackage. Being as this is a really heavy expansion area, the part separating the two floors, there's the most movement in this area. So I figured it best to use that stuff. We've got it taped out with that, and then now we've got a first coat over top of that. Sorry, second coat over top of that. Because the first coat was with 90 when we taped it out. So it's looking a lot nicer now. It's straightened out pretty good. It's gonna need 2 more tight skim coats after we pre-sand it. And then we paper taped all the angles in here. They didn't really need them, but I just wanted to make sure they were nice and square on finish, because all of these walls are gonna be getting skimmed from top to bottom. Ceilings are in pretty good shape. So we'll just clean the angles up, make brand new angles so it's nice and square anyways. Just so everything looks new. There was a big patch here, which I also used that blue mesh, that mesh there. Use pieces to cover up any of the patches. Just makes it a lot easier. So I didn't get a chance to coat a lot of this stuff today because I had to coat the inside angles here to clean them out. Now when I coat, it's going to be a lot easier and cleaner for coating. And there was some things that needed to be taped out and built up a little bit. So we've done all that today. Everything is now flat. And then tomorrow will just be a little bit of scraping. Like up here, you can see that it's kind of popping down a bit. I'll end up having to scrape that off. And then I'll skim that one more time, and then we'll be able to skim over the whole thing with the skimming process on the walls. So that was just a big patch up there on the top and on the side. There was a plug down there that they didn't want there no more, so we patched it in. So yeah, today was just basically flat filling, taping any cracks, and then flat filling them. Now I gotta leave it to dry. And then tomorrow I can come in and start the skimming process on all of these walls. So tomorrow is first coat on all of this. And then it'll be second coat on this area here. So, okay. We care at Professional Plastering Services. We really do care. And I'm sure it shows in our work. So that ceiling had a bunch of cracks in it, so I just skimmed it anyways. And that's it. I love that stuff. I can guarantee this not to crack, only because of that. Old plaster. Made to look brand spanking new.